environment's getting tense, but I'm never running out of gas. But sometimes I'm stuck in remorse, like I'm in a fucking traffic. A wise man told me don't let your past hold you back, but I guess he ain't wise enough, he never told me to learn from it. Rest in peace to all the thighs that be thinking that I'm sinking. I've been floating in this rap ocean, even if I don't show up in your radar. And I don't need no letter to climb up to my high expectations. Nah, but I bounce like Iggy Azalea, rendering rap service like I'm in a rap cafeteria. When I'm done, swear to God, I'm gonna put this fag rapper to a mass hysteria. Nah, but I got neither to the new wave. Man, I don't mean to disrespect the struggle, but y'all keep rapping by the same shit. That you bought a new jewelry, or you fuck a new bitch, or you don't die, or you try new drugs, and a lot of synonyms about how they're wasting time. Man, do me a favor, shut the fuck up, nobody cares. But I be forever with that classic shit. Always responsible in getting west to my generation. That's what hip hop is, man, fucking evolution. I'm an anti-no insurance for the facts hip hop. Investing on my dreams so I can pass myself or talk the rest. Nah, switching to my modi flow. Get your ignorance demonetized, it was never a bliss. When we living in a setup, we all play by the system. I mean, look around you, we all going through that. You have been betrayed sentence, but I be steady making my rap moves, cause now it's on the come up. Yeah, yeah, I'm gon' get it all. Yeah, 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 I'm gon' get it all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mind on made up, I ain't turning back. Yeah, I'm gon' get it all. Yeah, I'm gon' get it all. Yeah, yeah, my mind on made up, I ain't turning back. I ain't turning back. Ain't nothing hold me back. I ain't turning back. I'm gon' get it all. I'm gon' get it all.
No yung kay din.
Nansina.
Okay, kaya?
Nansina.
Narsena.
Nansina. Tatay na isa siya.
Oh, tapta. Muy malaki lang.
Mo dati.
Okay. Piligan ng si cousins ne ba? Okay.
Ako ba masan film sa?
Okay, no ba masan film. Nang je ko gi isay go motrok po kam kuirege.
Ay kanu pingay di ka gali sa lido. Direct video ko ina tawgi ba di.
Hai.
Class 11 tangkay sa lakwaday.
Okay.
Teams na na video man nam yan han.
Okay.
The band from the helpless.
Okay.
Rasilang ina
Okay.
ipam le maga featuring to ko.
Okay.
Ano YouTube ta dum phang man.
YouTube ta. Nang iham kay miming gawi?
The band from the helpless. VENT, the band from the helpless.
On the vent from the helpless ne ka. Ado ko gi be my snam. Be my snam ga noy pulak pa adu ko trok pa ne ko. Ado music che beat ko mo mana yam sa makran hoy.
Beat ti kanu rasilang na siya.
Rasela na siya ko. Ado video na be my snam na to ba. Okay, nang ado isay ja. Hojik kamay na adum future da kamay tawgin khali.
Ado ay hojik yo na di graduation lo jumukti dum vacation da mating tek tawgin khal.
Graduation lo ko. Hojik nang tawi si kay na.
Ay BA kanu hojik second year ne
second year pol science to ka. Aduga graduation lo di adum mating tek tawgi ke. Aduga nang iming aseng bu si kay.
Ay iming aseng Aditya ko.
Aditya. Aduga stage name na
Big Po.
Big Po. Ado Big Po nangi channel am sulay ba?
Lay ko YouTube ta channel.
Okay.
Yam chaw ya de.
Adum tawo adum happy lay na ko. Isay adum hapo adum aduga nanga Bledimis. Bledimis ka dum pulle ka. Maagi su link hapake Big Po ka Bledimis ka. Mo ba ni channel su yung bio. Sama lo.